Soto confirms Senate minority attempted to unseat him. So, yan. Pasok.
Senator Lauren Legarda gets the support of a majority of her colleagues to replace Senate President Tito Soto before the end of the 20th Congress. More details from RG Cruz.
Philippine Senate President Vicente Soto III confirms there was an attempt by the minority to unseat him. The Senate leader credits the majority for moving quickly to block the move.
It's always the majority who decides. Ano naman man ang leadership sa Senate, it's always ongoing. Ganun lagi yan.
Soto believes the minority tried to convince Senator Lauren Legarda to switch sides, but she reportedly rejected the offer. The senator maintains he is open to working with anybody in whatever capacity.
I think she did. I think she did. Ako ba, Senator? You know, I can do any work in the Senate. I can be majority leader, minority leader, Senate President, or even a regular senator. I have no problem with that.
On Wednesday, Senate Majority Leader Miguel Zubiri posted a picture of 10 senators, including Legarda and Soto, which he captioned by saying the majority remains strong. As if to drive home this point, Legarda was seen presiding over the session on the same day, a task normally done by
we will see, no, in the, parang, sabi ni Mig Zubiri, in the near future, eh. Di ba? Sabi naman ng iba, before the 20th Congress ends. Ano yun? Kailan yun? So, ano pa? 20, so most probably, kung 28. So, next year. Diba? Nasa train na pauwi pa.
of the chamber. She was even repeatedly addressed as Madam President by Senator Zubiri.
Thank you very much, Madam President. Madam President, nice to see you on the yes, session resumed already, right, Madam President?
Yes, session is resumed.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, I move that we adjourn session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday, February 9, 2026. I so move, Madam President.
Senator Kiko Pangilinan also posted on social media a picture with Legarda and the Senate President, but it carried the hashtag power sharing. This comes after days of rumors that the minority bloc had secured enough defectors with Legarda supposedly taking on the top Senate post. Soto says there are plans by the majority to make Legarda the Senate President before the 20th Congress ends in 2028.
So parang ang lalabas na lang, no? Hindi ko alam kung yan yung gustong palabasin or ano, kaya yung ano natin is ano, ang palalabasin is yun na nga lang, magkakaroon ng term sharing na it was decided by the majority. No, so sila nag-decide. So let's see.
However, clarifies there is no term sharing agreement. Zubiri confirms it was his idea to make Legarda the first female Senate chief, but he stresses the majority should decide on the next Senate leadership.
Sabi ko, any changes in the leadership, sana ay galing sa aming grupo sa majority. I made a joke na sabi ko, baka pwede naman end term ni Senator Soto, pwedeng siya din ang maging Senate President, the first woman Senate President.
No, medyo ako hindi ko talaga trip to si Lauren Legarda na eh. 'Di ba? Ako talaga with hindi ko rin with all due respect walang ganun. Mamosefa Olivia Lopez, shout out. So, kasi ako hindi ko talaga gusto si Lauren Legarda. Besides dun sa 'di ba? Especially yung pagkonsinti niya. Una, yung involvement niya kay Joma Sison, 'di ba? And syempre, yung ano din, yung stunt or yung stint na ginawa nila. Boss Saint Benedict, shout out. Yung stint na ginawa nila diyan sa ng anak niya. 'Di ba? Yan malaking ano yan, malaking iskaman yung datingan noon para sa akin. So if it's Lauren Legarda is talagang ano no, move mountains para maipwesto. No? For me, it's a form of corruption. Sa akin sa opinion ko. Ma'am Rosita Palada, shout out. And Ma'am Wendy Francisco, shout out.
He gladly agreed and he said, yes, why not?
Hindi ako agree diyan, no? Kasi for me, Loren Legarda is abusive, no, pagdating sa pagano ng power. Di ba? Dun sa statement ni hindi lang yun eh. Let's say bintang pa lang yun. Di ba? Yung kay Mayor Atienza. Let's say yun na lang yung involvement niya, Ma'am Daisy Cruz, shout out kay sa NPA. Ano sa akin yun? Red flag.
Zubiri also denied the existence of a formal term sharing agreement, though he acknowledged a mutual understanding that Legarda would eventually be elected as the next Senate chief.
Let's put it this way: we have an agreement that there will be, of course, a change in leadership within the majority members if we still have the support of all the majority members.
Zubiri says Soto wants to remain Senate President to oversee their transfer to the new Senate building, which is expected to happen next year. Zubiri also says he was willing to relinquish his leadership post to Senator J.B. Ejercito. He's also calling on the minority to just join them.
I also
Okay. So gusto daw pala ni Senator Soto. So kung pupunta na sila doon sa napakamahal na Senate building, gusto niya at least siya yung para siguro mag-inaugurate or what not, no? Pero okay.
Indicated that I'm willing to step down as majority floor leader and also let my senior deputy majority floor leader, Senator J.V. Ejercito, sit as majority floor leader. Should encourage more members of the minority to join us.
As for Legarda, she remained tight-lipped when asked about plans to elect her as the next Senate President. She also declined to comment on ongoing efforts to have her replace Senator Soto.
I have no idea. That's why I don't like to comment on something that I have no idea of and I was not informed. Wala kaming pinag-uusapan pa.
Wala, may nagsisinungaling, no? Acheche! So, sino nagsisinungaling? Si Zubiri o ikaw? Dalawa lang, no? Ang pwedeng nagsisinungaling. Isa lang yung pwedeng nagsisinungaling dyan.
At don't worry, tatanong ko sa kanya yung katanong.
You'll have to ask the instigators, not me. It's not something I'm at liberty to speak about.
RG Cruz, ABS-CBN News.
Oh, kayo na bahala. Ang kagaya na, my guess is as good as yours. Kasi nga, feeling ko talaga nagkaroon ng ano eh. Oh.